This is not just going to be a CPA marketing tutorial, because in this video I'm going to show you how you could go on to making money with CPA grade right here, and also with affiliate marketing simultaneously right now. So do stick on, watch this video, because you can actually go on to doing this on autopilot right here, and you just need about 10 minutes to go on to setting this up. And I'm also going to show you an amazing platform which you can actually use to drive traffic, your CPA marketing offers or your affiliate marketing offers. So learn this strategy, utilize this, and go on to making a lot of money online. And if you're new to my channel, guys, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you do like such content, make sure you do scroll through my channel and actually go on to checking out the videos right there, because they could be helpful to you in boosting your income online. Also, guys, you could make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all, so that I do alert you whenever I release cool and amazing videos that could be helpful to you. So jumping right back into today's video, the first thing which you want to do is to make sure you have an account created on a CPA marketing platform like CPA Grip right here. If you do click on register, it's going to bring you right here to this page where you want to just simply come right now, fill out your name, your last name. You can skip the company and website because they don't actually have this red asterisk sign. You can actually fill out your street address, the country, the city, the state, region, zip code, and other details right here. Fill them out right here appropriately, and make sure you do check these boxes out right now to actually agree to the terms of service. Once you do that, click on register now and actually go on to getting your account created. So if you do go on to log into your account, you will be brought to a page, a dashboard. But to get to this section where you want to just simply go on to getting offers, as you can see, these are actually a lot of offers available to the United Kingdom demographic. I can actually come right here, click on offer tools, and select my offers, which is going to bring you right here to this page. As you can see, the offers are actually focused on the United Kingdom demographic. You can actually select offers to any demographic of your choice. But what we're actually going to be using today is that we're going to be taking advantage of content locking. And if you want to take advantage of content lockers or URL file lockers, you want to come right here, select the monetization tools, then select the URL file locker. As you can see right now, you'll be brought to a page that will look similar to this. I'm going to come right here, click on create new URL file locker. I'm going to agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and it's actually going to bring me to a page such as this, where I want to just simply go on further to editing this. I'm going to go to the template section, and I'm going to just simply select one of these templates, maybe the capture template, head back to general, and I'm going to name this something like affiliate marketing. And I'm just going to leave this section as it is right here. For this particular section, I'm going to go on to changing this anchor text. So I change it to something like this, which says something is waiting to change your life. So right now in this locked URL section, this is where you're actually going to lock a link to a valuable content which you want to just simply give out to your audience. And right now, what you want to lock in this link should be an affiliate marketing product. And to do so right here, you could either head on to platforms like ClickBank right here and actually utilize this platform to get affiliate marketing products. If you want to just simply sign up, click on start here, and if you do click on start here, guys, the page is actually going to load up for you, where you can actually skip this quick start guide. And if you do skip this, it's automatically going to bring you to this page where you could go to signing up for absolutely free. As you can see the country right here, if you do actually come right here and go to selecting the country which you reside in, but in some cases you may not actually find the country to which you actually reside in, that means ClickBank is not actually available for you in that demographic. You can actually do go to fill out other details and get your account created. But guys, if you can't access ClickBank in your country right here, you want to just simply use other alternatives to affiliate marketing platforms like Digistore, like the Digistore 24 right here, which you can actually do see on my screen. Use this, register for this platform, and get some cool affiliate marketing products. So if I'm actually using ClickBank and I actually go on to login into my account, maybe you want to focus on any niche of your choice. You could focus on the health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, the food niche, and any niche of your choice. Supposing I want to focus on the e-business and e-marketing niche, I'm just going to select this right now. So once the page loads up, as you can see right here, you can actually keep on scrolling through, and you'll be able to see lots of online jobs offers which you can actually take advantage of. And you can actually see offers from any niche of your choice right here. You could see affiliate marketing, article marketing, banners, and a lot more other stuff right here. and you can actually go on to checking out some cool types of offers right now. But you can actually, that is if you want to actually filter your offers based on category, you can do that right here in this particular section, and you can actually go on to selecting any offer. Supposing I want to promote this offer right here, which is actually to get paid to use Facebook and Twitter and YouTube, you can actually click on this particular section right here which says promote. Once you click on that right here, all you need to do is actually fix in your affiliate name. Once you fix in your affiliate nickname, you can actually go on to getting your tracking ID, or fixing your tracking ID, or get your hop link right now. So guys, you can take a look at this right here. My hop link has actually been generated. Once this has been generated, what I'm going to do right here is to actually copy this hop link, and I'm just going to head back to my CPA marketing platform and go on to locking that in this URL file locker. So once that has actually been done, I'm going to go on to clicking on save, and this will actually be saved right now. So if you take a look at this right here, this is the CPA URL file locker I created. If I do click on get link right here, it's actually going to go on to showing me my link, which is my URL to promoting this particular URL file locker. I'm going to copy that and leave that right here. So we're going to leave this open right here because we might actually head back to that. Then you want to head on to creating a simple landing page right here. And for this landing page, guys, you want to use the Google site or any other landing page builder site out there. I'm just going to click on blank right now. And once I do click on blank right here, guys, it's actually going to take me to a very simple page right here where I can actually go on to start building my landing page right now. So right here, once you have gotten to this page, so basically what I'm going to do right now is to just simply come right here, delete this section. I'm going to go on to this top section, click on this text box. So right now in this text box, I'm just going to add in that particular offer right there, or that affiliate marketing product, which is to actually head back to this particular affiliate marketing platform called ClickBank. And I'm just going to copy this exact same title. And if I do highlight this, copy this, I'm going to head back to my landing page and actually paste that in right here. So once this has actually been pasted, I'm going to remove the link. And if I actually go on to removing the link right here by editing link, I'm just going to go on to removing everything. So once I've removed the link right now, guys, I'm just going to come right here, make this bold, and I'm going to go on to increasing the font size. If I do increase the font size to 24, this quite looks better. So once that is done, I'm also going to centralize this, and I can actually go on to add in an image. So for this image section, I'm going to click on image. I'm going to click on select to actually use one from the internet right now, and I'm going to go on to Google Images. So while on Google Images, I'm going to just simply search for make money. So if I do search for make money online, something like this right here, I will be able to see a lot of images that are actually related to that particular topic. And you can actually see some cool images right here that are actually quite nice. So what I'm going to do right now is to select one of these images. Supposing I want to select this right now, I'm going to select that, click on insert, and that is actually going to be inserted right here in my landing page. So guys, that image actually did have an issue, so I'm just going to go on to trying another image right now. So as you can see right here, this image was actually been able to be added right here on this particular section. So if I make this quite bigger and centralize this, you can actually see how it's going to look like. So once this has actually been done, I'm just going to go on to clicking on a button right here. So I want to add in a button. I'm going to scroll through to this section, click on button, and for that button, I'm just going to put in something like click here. And once I type in something like this in this link section, you want to just simply paste in the link to your URL file locker. So if I head back to CPA Grape, copy the link to my URL file locker, head back to my landing page, paste that in right here, click on insert. That has actually been inserted. I can actually come right here, centralize this, or I can just simply drag this to this bottom section. So if I drag this to that particular section right here, you can actually see how it's going to look like right now. So what I'm going to do is to also link this particular image to that particular URL file locker. So if I do select the image, click on link, and actually do paste in that particular link right here, click on apply. That has actually been done. So what you want to do next is to publish this particular page right here, and actually going to go on to selecting a simple domain. So I selected a domain such as this, which is onlinejob.ng, and I'm going to click on publish, and this has actually been published. I can then go on to copy my link to this particular landing page and go on to promoting this using a free ad platform. And that platform right here is called quakead.com. So with quickads.com, you can actually see right here that you could run ads on any of this category right here, which is the make money online, real estate, for sale, local live jobs, and a lot more other kinds of ads right here on any of this category or any of this country right here. You could run ads to the United States, you could run ads to Canada, and a lot more other European countries, and a lot more countries all around the globe. So what you want to do is to click on post a free ad. So you can see right now that I'm brought to this page. Right now you want to select a particular location which you want to drive traffic to. So I'm going to select the United States and any location right here in the United States. So if I just select right now, as you can see, I'm asked to select the category of offer. So I'm going to select make money, and I'm actually going to select affiliate marketing. So right now, all you need to do is to actually go on to fixing your title for that particular offer. And I'm actually going to go onto my landing page and actually copy this exact same title. So if I copy this title, head back to this section, I fix this in right now. For this description, you want to just simply add in something cool. You can add in something like this, which says we offer a unique opportunity to monetize your social media activity, and you just want to just take advantage of this particular text. You could pause the video, use this text, and actually go on to utilizing this right now. So I can actually put in something like click here at the end, and for that section right now, I'm just going to highlight this, click on this particular link icon, go on to copying my landing page link. So if I copy the link to my landing page right now, I'm going to head back to that particular platform and go on to pasting that link right here, click on OK. And for anyone that do click on click here, it's going to take them to my landing page, which also going to take them to my CPA marketing offer, of which if they do complete an offer, I do make some cool affiliate commission, and they actually go back to ClickBank right here and go on to purchasing this product. I make also an affiliate commission on this platform. So you want to just simply utilize this strategy. Next, you want to come right here, fixing these details right here, like your email address, fixing your email once more. You can actually show your email or hide that. You can actually go on to filling out all this other section, but you can actually see that they are actually optional. So once you're actually done with this right here, you want to just simply go on to publishing this right now, and by clicking on continue. So once I do click on continue right now, guys, my ad will actually go on to being posted for free. As you can see right here, it says your ad has actually been posted and is now active. Note, email activation is not required. The confirmation email for this ad has been sent to your email address. So you can actually see how easy it is to actually go on to utilizing this strategy. And the cool thing about this is that you don't actually need to purchase this particular product on ClickBank for you to go on to making money right here with this strategy. All they need to do first of all is to actually go on to completing your CPA marketing offer, which that particular content is locked in, and if they do complete that offer, you do get paid some cool affiliate commission from CPA Grip. And guys, if they actually go on to purchasing the product, you can go on to making some additional amount right here. So utilize this strategy and make a lot of money online. If you have any question, leave that in the comment section down below. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.